This is an honest review for the Total Chef 4-slice toaster oven. So as you can see, it's big enough to fit a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, even though it's quite a compact one. The knobs can be set for temperature at a range of about 450 Fahrenheit is the highest it gets you. And yeah, you have the auto shut off with this one, also a 30-minute timer as well. So it does, most of the dishes, everyday dishes, nothing too big, so not for a large family. Usually it's just for one person or a family of two, and that's what this is good for.